Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a face for beginners. So first of all, if you want to draw your face or your friend face or someone face, first of all you should draw the face shape like a circle or an oval or a square face. So it depends on the face of someone or the gender. Women have a round face more than men, and this plays a major role. Okay, so today I'm going to draw myself as an example. So my face is a bit oval, so I'm going to draw an oval, and I'm gonna remark it to make it more clear. Then we're going to draw the ears, and you can see if it's big, small, where it's placed, down, up. Okay, for the eyes you should think about the size, the wide, and the colors. Okay, and then for the nose also it plays on the how long it is, how big it is, and how pointy it is. Okay, for the mouth I'm going to draw the wideness, but in men I don't draw lips and eyelashes because I think this describe the female gender, not the male gender. Okay, but if you have big eyelashes and you are a male, you can highlight the upper top of your eye. Okay, and it will be great. Okay, I have added a hair for my if you have many hairstyles, it doesn't matter, only like one picture with one hairstyle. You can draw more than one, but this is my main hairstyle. I love it a lot, so I always have this hairstyle. Now for the coloring, I'm using these watercolor pencils and these markers. Okay, for the face I'm gonna to color all of it with a faint color, and after that I'm gonna to spot and highlight different parts. The first part is the ears, and then we're going to highlight the hair, between the hair and the skin. Okay, and then we're going to highlight the nose and the chin and the cheekbones. Now the cheekbones is a bit a makeup, but it also works to highlight the face shape. Okay, and to highlight the nose. This makes a very good picture, and the next one, trust me. Finally the neck, you can highlight it and it looks great with a whole picture. For the eyes I'm using the markers to color out the eyes. Now blue, green, yellow, any eye color, you take two colors. Okay, but before this I'm going to draw the hair. Now the hair I'm coloring with a marker. Draw straight lines, it doesn't matter if you have filled or not. Now I'm drawing much faster than I draw normally, just because I want a shorter video to explain more and shorter, but I have a better one. I will show it later to you. Now for the hair, try to make stripes to make it natural and lovely. And for the eyes, pick two colors from the same colors but different tones to make the eye more attractive. Okay, and it will just look so nice, and then add the black in the middle. Okay, this is going to be so great. Now for the eyebrows, you will use a thin pen because to make it natural, because already the hair of the eyebrows is short. Okay, now this is the final result. I know it's not that good, but I have drawn something better than it. I will show it now. And I have drawn the girl of fashionista, the previous video, in a better way. And also I have drawn a man, a gentleman. Okay, as you see, this is the fashionista I drawn it before, and this is the man I have drawn it after it. Okay, so these are the two pictures. So as you see, there are different physical features, make it looks great and special. Everyone is special, but this is much faster, but it looks great also. So if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe, and I just told you thank you for watching, and have a good day. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a face for beginners.